everyone! Today we are going to be making homemade vegan body butter. The body butter we're making today is going to be really rich and moisturizing. I've made it a few times now, so I've perfected the ratio that I like. However, the ratio I like may not work best for you, so feel free to cater to whatever you like. A little bit of this product goes a long way, so it will last you a long time as well, and the overall process takes maybe an hour with the cooling, but it is really quick and really easy. It doesn't require that many materials to do, only a few ingredients that are really accessible, and you get this amazing product afterwards that saves you money and helps save the planet. It also makes a really great gift, so keep that in mind if you have anybody who loves homemade or spa type gifts. This is a great product for them. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So this is all the ingredients we're going to need. You can get them really anywhere. I got some of mine on Amazon due to COVID, but you can buy them at health food stores, grocery stores, bulk stores, or any other store that you may see fit. You will need 20 to 30 drops of essential oil, half a cup of raw shea butter, half a cup of raw extra virgin coconut oil, half a cup of raw cocoa butter, and then half a cup of almond oil. First, set up a double broiler and bring the water to a boil. Start adding all ingredients except for the essential oil. Don't do what I did with the shea butter because that did not work. Try just scooping it in. And so add all of the ingredients together in the bowl, and they'll begin to melt as the water heats up and also heats up the glass bowl. Give it a little stir every so often. The cocoa butter will likely be the last ingredient to melt, but if you cut it up into small enough pieces, it will melt faster, and allow it to melt completely so then it's a thick liquid. When melted, remove the bowl from heat and set it aside, or put it in your freezer to allow it to cool. After 15 to 20 minutes, you'll notice that the liquid will start hardening up. This is when you can start adding in your essential oils. So just add in 20 to 30 drops of your chosen essential oil. We are going to whisk the product, and this is going to make it nice and fluffy, and it's the last step that we need to do. If you don't have a hand mixer, then you can definitely use an electronic mixer. I don't have an electronic mixer, so I was doing this the hard way. It will take about 10 minutes or so if you're using a hand mixer to whip it up. It also gives you a really great arm workout, so if you're looking for that, hand mixer is the way to go. You can see at the end we have a nice fluffy body butter, and it smells amazing. The last thing you want to do is just begin scooping the body butter into a clean jar. I just used the spatula because that was the easiest way to scoop up all the product. So we have the finished product here. I took the lid off, but as you can see, this is a lot of body butter, and I am very happy about that. And because it's so rich with the cocoa and the shea, you really don't need that much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand, and that goes a long way. So I've made this a few times now, and I know kind of the ratios that you should use. The first time I made it, it was really greasy because I used a lot of coconut oil, so I don't put as much as I used to, and now it's really nice and it soaks into your skin super well, and it's really moisturizing. So again, you don't really want to use that much of it. Also, I don't recommend using it for your face if you have sensitive skin because of the essential oils, as well as coconut oil can clog some people's pores, and shea is really thick and really rich, so it might not be the best for your skin. But anywhere else that's really dry, like elbows, feet, or your whole body really, it's great, and because it's not that greasy, it won't ruin any of your clothes or any of your sheets or anything like that. So I know I'm gonna enjoy that for a couple of months, if not maybe like 6 months, because there's a lot of it. So that's exciting. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to save you a lot of money, trust me. Investing in the products might cost a little bit of money, but this would cost you $20 to $30 at a store. So why would you do that when you can just make it yourself and have plenty of ingredients to make it again? I think I have enough to make me another 2 to 3 batches, so another 4 of these containers or more, which is really exciting. So I hope you enjoyed. As you can see, yet another way to live sustainably, and you can get something out of it that you love to use, and it's good for the planet and it's good for your body. If you do make it, please tag me on Instagram at _ctablog. Love to see your creations. I'd love to see what kind of essential oils you want to use in yours. Or you could email it to me at cleartheair.blog@gmail.com. I hope you enjoy bringing this sustainability into your life and trying out this new exciting product that you can keep for yourself or give to a friend. Mother's Day is coming up, so keep that in mind, and have a great one, everyone.